ज़िंदगी में ऐसे टीचर्स को मैं प्रणाम करती हूँ। ज़मीन से आसमान तक पहुँचाने का रखते हैं हुनर, ऐसे टीचर्स को मैं सलाम करती हूँ।
The teachers, they inspire us, they support us. Today we are here to thank them and say the Happy Teachers Day.
Good teacher can inspire, hope, ignite the imagination and instill a love of learning. It is a great day as we celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
I am here to say a few words about our dear father Matthew DC. Thanks for your support and guiding us to the next level of excellence in academics and for everything. Thank you, Father, for being with me.
Dear Sister Malik, you are not just a teacher for us, you are an inspiration. Lucky to have you as a guide.
Sister Mabel, your smile made us smile each day. Your touch was what helped us each day. The love in your voice made us smile. And now it's our turn to say thanks for teaching us.
Dear Sister Elias, you did everything for making your class fun and exciting. I learned so much from you. Thank you for all things.
Sir, on this special day, we would like to thank you for all the efforts which are taken by you. Thank you for everything. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello, I'm Divyanshi Soni. Thank you, Mool sir, for being inspiring and teaching us. We respected your hard work. Happy Teachers Day.
Sir, on this special day, we would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put in to make us a better person in life. Thank you for teaching us. And sir,
You have been a guiding star, and I thank you for all the guidance and education that you have showered upon us.
हमने में ज्ञान से बड़ा कोई दान नहीं और गुरु से बड़ा कोई दानी नहीं। थैंक यू, हैप्पी टीचर।
कर जब आए पहली बार नन्हे से कदम लेकर, जब आए पहली बार थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर। मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है तेरा अब से तेरे नाम। नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ, होने लगी हूँ मैं हंसी। आफरी 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 आफरी
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी, मन बीत कराओ जी। रा क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी। थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर सले उन बंगा दी मैं कह लगे। मर बिगड़ में जागी दो कणी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाकी खुशी रे। झुम 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 झुम।
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने। मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी। मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, मैं छुड़ाई घर बार। हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बात
सामने मेरे हो गए सपने सच मेरे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। गुरुवर सामने मेरे हो गए सपने सच मेरे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। वो सूरज चांद के
Dear Sapna ma'am, thought you write in black and white, you brought colors in our life. Dear teacher, thank you for making us what we are today. Happy Teachers Day. Dear Savita ma'am, one child, one teacher, one book, one pen change the world. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Dear Amber sir, not everyone has a heart of a gold and such dedication, but you have. You are a truly inspiring individual who has taught many things other than bookish.
Dear Mukesh sir, we are lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. Wishing you happy Teachers Day.
What you write on the blackboard of life can never be erased. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Dear ममता शांकर में जीवन में मिली असफलता भी व्यक्ति का परम गुरु है, जिससे सीख लेकर सफलता को प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। थैंक यू।
यादव में शिक्षक और सड़क दोनों एक जैसे ही होते हैं, जहाँ पर हैं वहीं पर रहते हैं, मगर दूसरों को उनकी मंजिल तक पहुँचा ही देते हैं। थैंक यू। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Dear Magna ma'am, you may just be a teacher, but to us you are a star. Thank you.
Dear Shraddha Jain ma'am, thank you for always listening to us, supporting us and encouraging us. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Dear Neeraj Sankheri sir, though you wrote in black and white, you brought colors in our life. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
I'm thankful for Tarun sir for always encouraging us to learn more and work hard. Happy Teachers Day.
Dear Ritu teacher, thanks for being our teacher and for guiding us towards the right path of the life. You have taught us so much more than simply curriculum. You have taught us life lessons that will carry in our life forever. Thank you for taking time to help us understand better.
Thank you dear Jitendra sir for inspiring us to do our best. Happy Teachers Day.
Dear Sudha teacher, thank you for teaching us. Happy Teachers Day.
Dear Srikriti teacher, thank you for continually inspire us to do our best. We are lucky to have a teacher like you. You taught us like a teacher, supported us like our parents and guide us like a mentor. Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
Child, one teacher, one pen, one book. Change the world. We are here to express our love.
खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आके वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को, इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आगे वो, खो जाए
ma'am. We are very thankful to you. Without you, we would have been lost. Thank you for inspiring us, guiding us, and making us what we are today.
Sir, thank you for teaching us and helping us to explore new ways of learning things. You are a wonderful teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, Sohan sir, for inspiring us, for guiding us, and for making us few words about Anamika teacher. Anamika teacher is a person who surrounds her students with inspiration to learn again every day. Her love of learning has drawn us into a whole new universe of exploring ideas. Thank you, teacher, for being such a wonderful, kind teacher.
Thank you, Bhavani sir. You are not just teacher to me. You are inspiration for me. You are a gift from God who educate us and guide us towards success. Thank you for your kindness.
Teacher, we may not say this every day, but your inspirational words are like beautiful footprints that have been each in our mind and thought for it.
Just want to see the students succeed and hug them. Dear Suresh sir, you truly care about your student, and thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Please change your feet. Passion for life. Here St. Stephen Convent Pearls are ready to perform their dance.
Thank you. ऐसा कुछ हुआ सी, रोज निकल जाए कुछ नया, या दुनिया हाथों पे रखती। Thanks a lot, lots and lots. Maybe just to say thanks a lot. सुबह या शाम चाहे छोटी हो काम होगा तेरे बस तुम्हारा नाम. Thanks a lot, lots and lots. Maybe just to say thanks a lot. अपने पेड़ों पे नई कहानी, मेरे हुआ की हम करें, पर बाकियों की छूट, everything you fucking to be हो, साथ ना छोड़े. Thanks a lot, lots and lots. So many ways to say thanks a lot. गाने लगे हम चाहे खुशी हो या गम, अपनी ये भावना को खत्म. Thanks a lot.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया
Soul has been created for you. It will never rest until I rest in you. In loving tribute to you, our Shivani ma'am, who sought her refuge in the Lord. Your services to the society through the medium of Stifels will be ever achieved in our records. We miss you, ma'am, but you will live ever in our memory.
On behalf of all students, we would like to thank you, teacher, for everything, for molding, for guiding, for leading, for inspiring, for helping. Thanks a lot.